Yo, what up? Good morning, Jim. Morning, morning, morning. Oh, man. Can you hear me? I've never been on this computer before. Yeah, I'm in an Airbnb bedroom. This is where the magic happens. The magic. Can you hear me, BK? What's it sound like? Yo, camera's fucking clear though. Look at that camera. Should I go full vacation mode? Oh, it's crazy as you can see the screen in my reflection. What up, Allie? I'm gonna start trading like this. Yo, BK, I gotta find out what do you do in the morning? Because obviously me and you do different things. How'd you hit the morning? Because I I would have lost both, but I ended up winning losing. So I'm wondering what you do. Maybe I should tweak and then back test. Dude, I hope so, Jim. I hope so. Oh, did you see my funded futures running some crazy freaking deal? Oh, dude, I can't trade like that. Gut feelings. I'm glad it's working for you. Gut feelings. Sometimes I change things. Like today, I exited on my gut, but I will not jump in on my gut. Exiting is one thing. That's crazy. Let me see if I could change this on my connections actually. Dude, I can't use my normal copy trader. I can't use my normal bro. When you've traded enough, it's all gut. I mean, it's what I do. It's based off statistics of back testing of months and months of data, but I can kind of know when I'm going to get a loss, so I exit. You know, like today, I would not have hit TP. It came back. I would have gotten stopped out, and then it went. But I grabbed I grabbed like $145 in a bunch of accounts, but then I played the other way and I lost. I will say I don't know if it's choppy right now because Nvidia earnings are on Wednesday. Yo, it's the Island Boy. What up, Garen? I'm on my Airbnb right now. I'm in the room where the magic happens. Pulls back and you had 3x. You just slam it. What was I gonna say? How's the volume and everything? This is my new computer. This is my new laptop. I'm on my new laptop, so I don't know how it sounds. I don't know. The camera's fucking nice, man. Yo, how crisp this camera looks. I might turn around, put the camera on my head later on, use it as a POV camera. Gym tan laundry, baby. I am. I'm at the Jersey Shore. Yep. Dude, remember that? That was like a fucking that was crazy. The whole Jersey Shore shit. Post pics of the new machine. Let me see if I can. Dude, you can see. Let's see if you see what I'm looking at. Oh yeah, there we go. Now you see what I see. Discord pics. I'll put it in the Discord right now. Dude, it's I put the link there. How's the surf? My dad's not here with me. Dude, my dad is hanging out. So my dad's in Mexico and he's hanging out with I guess Brian Bosworth. Dude, it's a bank. Where is it a bank holiday? Somebody just said in the Discord it's a bank holiday. Is it a bank holiday in London? Oh, it's a UK bank holiday? That's why it's so freaking choppy in the morning? Hanging with the hotties? Yo, the Boz. Yo, Sean. My dad's like, yo, do you know Brian Bosworth? I was like, the Boz? I was like, he was really good in college and then he wasn't great in the NFL. But yeah, I was like, what's the deal with him? He's like, oh, I'm with him right now in Mexico. I was like, oh shit. And then he sent me a bunch of pictures. I mean, I've never met the guy. I've seen the documentary on him though. The Boz and Bo Jackson. I think it was an ESPN East. Maybe it was ESPN 30 for 30. The Boz. By the way, if you played on those college teams in like the late 90s, early 2000s, dude, they were like doing all, bro, that shit was wild. Like the Miami Hurricanes and whatnot. That fucking team was wild. Dude, I guess. I don't know. I honestly don't know. That was just the text message that I got. I'm with Brian Bosworth. My dad is freaking one of the boys though. Like he's 73 and he's just one of the boys. It's freaking it's so wild. I've seen him hanging out with like 30-year-olds, like and dudes are like asking my brother, oh, like my brother would be like, yo, like want to head out, like go surf or whatnot. And they're like, yo, why don't you ask your dad if he wants to come too? It's like, what? It's like, yeah, yo, tell your dad to come hang out with us. Yeah, BCAT. I just can't. It has to be statistically driven. I would have lost. I would have lost a lot on all the early mornings. The fact that I just pulled the ripcord. This I didn't realize UK bank holiday today. I mean, this is what I'm working with right now. Higher time frames. There was a. I took this small fair value gap inversion right here. Uh, I guess it paid. I think I took this one too. But dude, PG, it's always like that. He's just that guy. He's that guy. He's got more friends, man. I don't even know. I don't even know how well, now he's retired, so he keeps up with all his friends. Time frames are better nested. What do you mean? Like when it's overlapped on like this chart instead of spread out? This indicator is nice if you want to see a lot of overlapping. See, you got all the different, you can see it overlapping right here rather than spread on over here. Depends on what you want to look at. That was the video I made about that indicator over the weekend. Shout out to Sean for finding it. Now, do you take? I can't take that. I'm not taking that shit. Am I? Am I taking that? Dude, I want to see it take out the London highs up here at least, right? Four-hour daily. Yeah, I think I got to see it take out London highs. We're too close. London high is 569. I probably wouldn't short. I don't know. I don't really want to short this until we're over London high. I feel like if it gets stopped, you know what I'm saying? Much meat on the bone. I'm just sitting and waiting. We didn't do London yet. Was that like Debbie does Dallas? We didn't do London. Equal highs above. I think we are going to 536. I have 68. Why do I have 68? Yeah, London highs. We opened and hit 568 right there. Yeah, we're not near it yet. Oh, you're talking about these equal highs right here, Josh? What do you think? We're gonna run them and then sweep through? We're gonna run those highs and then come down. I think the 2 o'clock candle. Do I have this fucked up? I do have this fucked up, don't I? I do have this fucked up. London opens at 3. Why is this messed up? This is what happens when you're on a new computer. Why is it messed up like that? Oh, what the fuck? Why? Yeah, I don't know. You're right. I don't know why. Oh, yeah, we did run London highs. Dude. Oh, you think we're going to run Asia highs? See, I don't like taking the short here anyways because I don't think we're going to break below here. This is what I was talking about before, right into this breaker and then back out. You got a 5-minute fair value gap right here that we just kind of retested. How do you have 6? London opens at 3 a.m. Right, Josh? Doesn't London open at 3 a.m.? London opens at 3 a.m. We didn't go that high during London session. The high for London is like 538, 537. London carries through till 5 p.m. Yeah. We're not looking at that though. We're looking at it's like 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. is what we're looking at. Like I know London's open right now, but this isn't considered. We're not considering this London. Yeah. Yeah, we're looking at highs and lows. Nothing. I can't believe I fucking dropped the ball. See, I'm about, I don't know. That's like small potatoes. Like these accounts were all up 900 and something dollars on Friday. So it's not like 145 is nothing. And then these are up. So it's kind of like, I'm like a mixed bag. Bangkok posted in Discord. Oh my God. Let me see. I just don't have it. I don't see. Yeah, but isn't that's 2 a.m. though? Yeah, that's not London highs at 2 a.m. That's considered Asia, right? Isn't that, dude? Trash guys here. I do think we're heading up though. Should have just taken that off of 19. I'm just looking to see what else we got here. Damn, Baba and Baidu crank a lankin. The old turtle soup. The old turtle soup. Why would you? I'm just curious. Why would you name it turtle soup? Came from Kathy. Same Kathy that thinks Bitcoin's going to $3 million. Different Kathy. What up, Newts? Oh, today's been a kind of a chop fest. Can we just go back to? I mean, it'll be back to normal in September. Oh, good morning, Monet. Morning. Good morning. What do you think? We're going to run those highs and then come back down, Josh? We shall see. Seems like it's grinding up. You got to remember, NVIDIA has earnings on Wednesday, so I feel like they're going to buy that. We're going to grind up into NVIDIA earnings. And NVIDIA is either going to take us to new highs or it's going to dump it. Yo, what up, Maria from jail? How's jail today? They got you on an ankle monitor today? Morning, Nathan. Jail sucks. This laptop's been, holy shit, my laptop's getting loud. I don't know why it's getting so loud. So crazy. Dude, every time I go to this website, fucking gets loud. When I open up too many browsers, it gets loud. Meetings all day. Inmate 69 is not happy. I don't blame you. Yo, too many. Oh, shit. I'm gonna enjoy my own race. Need some duckies. Need some ducks in my life. I was walking around last night in some store. I was like all these rubber duckies in the window. I was like, duck race. Duck race. Duck race. Yeah, but I'm streaming at the same time. Streaming eats up a lot of bandwidth on the you know, I got Frontier Tower. Cove, I just put 290 in my brand new TPT account. Woo! That's definitely over an LU. I meant to write that in the Zelle in the Venmo. Go get some LUs. But I was doing it so fast. I was like, I hit send. I was like, we stacking LUs today, baby. Almost 3 LUs. So funny. Yo, did you guys see that My Funded Futures thing? They're giving away like $1 billion worth of accounts or something like that. Anybody see that shit? They're giving away like 20,000 accounts. Somebody's going to ask me how it works, and I have no fucking idea. So maybe I can look at it with you guys. So here's one of the things. 20,000 traders will win a 50K core account for $1. Registration opens today. Let me see what it looks like. mffu.com. I mean, the best part about it is if you don't like it, you don't have to do it. That's the best part. I mean, I don't know, man. $1 seems like a pretty big giveaway. Enter $1 billion giveaway. I might just take freaking 3. I just feel like they're gonna grind this the fuck up. 20,000 traders enter. What do I need to do to enter? Dude. I should fucking take this. I guess I just submitted it. Thank you. You have successfully registered. Winners will be notified. All right. Well, and now I guess you can also get 33% off 100K accounts and 150K accounts. Scales. I got to look at all this. I got to look. What up, Waldo? I mean, you probably find $1 on the street. Yo, $1 make you holla. I don't know what the odds are. Yo. Wait, oh my God. Whatever. I secured $50 in a bunch of accounts. I'll tell you one thing you don't want to do. And I learned a valuable lesson today. You want to hear this, right? So this morning I traded the open. I was up $160 in like 12 accounts. Being that I was on vacation, I should have just fucking stopped and said, you know what? Hey, I'm up, I don't know, $1,500, $2,000 in funded accounts. Let me just be happy with my day. Instead, 10 seconds go by and I got to go for the big bang, the $5,000 in my accounts. I go for the big bang and I end up losing it. So now that I'm on vacation, I'm kind of like, hey, you know what? If I could stack, I don't know, $100 in all these funded accounts for the day, I'll be happy. Just kind of fucking just stack them up. So I don't know. I just submitted it. I imagine if they're giving 20,000 fucking traders an account for $1, like every person's going to be able to get it. I don't, the odds are pretty good. I take it for $1. I mean, why not? It was, I'm just looking. I might re-enter this shit. Yo, if I can get out at 81, oh man, that'd be freaking awesome. I'd go to the beach with a freaking chub. Come on, baby. Come on. Dude, I'm breaking this right to fucking break even. I am not losing my money on this bitch. Push it. Push it. Push it. Get the fuck over. Get the. So I mean, they can hear me. Get the fuck. Get up. No. Why didn't I take my money? I'm back. I feel like this is going to fucking just go. I should have taken my $50. Hey, man, at least you know the odds and you don't take it. You know what I mean? If this goes over 65, I should just fucking take my money. Push it. Push it. Just fucking push it. Are you shitting me? I don't trust it. It can come all the way fucking back down. It can come all the way back down. I fucking feel it. Oh, I hope it doesn't burn when I pee after this trade. Come on. I got the worst entry in the world. We broke over the imbalance. Come on, please. Please don't fuck me. Oh my God. Come on. Dude, we're going to hit 598. I just fucking feel it. No, of course I got fucking stopped. What a loser. It's so crazy because I had a good entry. Oh. If it comes back down, I'll buy. I'm still in one of my accounts. We'll just let it ride. It's so stupid because I was up. Like I don't understand why when I was here and we were all the way up, I didn't just fucking take my money. It looks like it's going to ramp up is what it looks like it's going to do. It's going to ramp up and we're going to go up probably to 600. I'm wondering if they bring it down to 543 first. Yeah, I know. I was trying for one last big trade to maybe do 200 in each account, and then I'd be done for the day. $200-300 in an account, but just wasn't the case. Just didn't happen that way. It's got to notice SoFi is up fucking up 5% today. Is that right? Holy shit. Dude, why? The options are so fucking shitty. What up, Corey? And we're just kind of trending here. I mean, if you look, we're just kind of trending. I mean, this is what the 5 looks like. It looks like we're going to blow out of this fucking thing. Wouldn't be surprised to see 37 here. But if you look, this is kind of consolidating to go up more. Oh my God, I hit this button twice. Oh, we're gonna see. I actually like the 5-minute chart here, and I really do think we're gonna hit 600. But I might have got just a shit entry. I don't know. Bro, every time I let the trend be my friend, it's never my friend. Never once is the trend my friend. Look, look, let the trend be your friend. Just got fucking watch. It's gonna come all the way back. What up, TJ? All the way back. TJ, this is the fucking worst. The trend is not your friend. Dude, it's never my friend. Never ever has the trend been my friend. I've never been like, yo, man, I fucking just buy on this trend line and it just goes up for me. No, look, it actually stops me at the very fucking bottom. I am the fucking bottom. Look at that. I'm the bottom. This is the last time I'm fucking entering this position. Literally, I entered it because we just had a little inversion, but we didn't close. So I had some premature violation right there. I want to see it close above 41. And then I would like to see it take this 46 fair value gap right here. That's literally what I'm taking. This is not a high probable part. This is brutal. Yo, I am. I'm over in Cape May. Dude, it's pretty cool down here. Dude, there's a lot of those Victorian style houses you were talking about. Like a lot. We're sitting at London highs. No, I'm just gonna get my fucking dick kicked in again. The craziest part is I fucking had this trade and just didn't hold it. I'm out. This thing looks fucking like duty. If we get over the 9, I'll get back in. I know it sucks, but whatever. Just trying to scalp for some fucking money. Just fucking blow this all the way up to 600 for me. Go sit on Poverty Beach and get you. Everyone's heading to the beach in a little bit. It's like mass chaos in here. Like, you're trying to get between us and the other family, there's 4 kids to get ready for the beach. It's just mass chaos. So they're not even there yet. They're probably not going to hit the beach like 11:30. All right, now I can move this up. If I would have hit the morning knob for my normal gain, I would probably have just streamed for like an hour and been gone. But we did not. If I hit this might tempt me. I want to see us get to 80 is what I really want to see. I want to see us hit at least these imbalances right here. Notice August seems to blow for small cap stocks. August is a low volume month, most likely because of the summer. Charles, I think in general, a lot of people do the sell in May, and they basically come back in September. That's what I think a lot of people do. Is I'm moving my stop up because I'm down today and I don't want to fucking. If we push up, I'm moving my stop up. I'm moving my stop up. I don't want to get nothing here. Yeah, I mean, it can go up, but the volume is definitely lower. I've had some good moves in August. All I had to do was fucking just wait. I'm just moving this fucking up. I think we're going to end up hitting right here. Whatever. That helped. I should have fucking smashed it, but bro, all I had to do was hold. So I fucking bought in here and here. All I had to do was hold. Stupid. I mean, that's not like what this setup I'm looking for. I mean, it was what it was. But no, in general, more volume comes back in come September. Also, you got to remember, last week and this week is like the most traveled week for vacation. Like up by me, everybody's on vacation these last 2 weeks. These are the last 2 weeks basically before school starts in the Northeast. So a lot of the guys on Wall Street and whatnot are just out. Hey man, advice would give to somebody who got their first payout how to scale prop firms and which ones to go to. Firstly, I would go if you gotten pay your first payout of $5,000. I would have a take profit trader account at this point because you could do daily payouts. You could definitely do daily payouts, and they're literally the best. After that, I would go over to like my funded futures. Also, like scale up. You gotten one payout, so basically, I would take. I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Are you copy trading? I probably wouldn't copy trade a lot of accounts if you've only gotten one payout. But what I would do is probably grab, I don't know, maybe like 5 accounts is what I would do. 5 to 7 accounts. You're only investing, you're investing less than 10% of that payout back in. I'd probably grab a couple core accounts and then a couple take profit trader accounts. Maybe spend $500. There's no activation fee on those. And then I would work those up and see if you can get another decent payout. And then once you get a payout there, I would then start copy trading. But I would probably take at least $3,500 of that 5K and pay yourself with it, pay your credit card, pay whatever bills, pay your whatever you've initially put in. Like that's what I would take, at least $3,500 of that money out. And then I'd set aside, the rest, or maybe only $1,000 to reinvest into more accounts to kind of further along this journey. That's probably how I would do it. I would not copy trade either. So you're kind of spreading your risk, because if you copy trade, they could all be gone at the same time. But if you're spreading your risk over this next new 5 to 7 accounts, plus the ones that you already have, the odds are you're probably going to get another payout. That's what I would do. By the way, I just got another payout today. I just got approved $1,248. I put it in the old Discord. Feels good to get paid on vacation. Yeah, so if you burnt $2,000 on accounts, take 3,500 out. So now you're positive on this whole thing, right? Now you're positive 1,500, and take the other amount. So yeah, so if you spent 2,000, take 3,500 out. So now you're covered. Plus you made 1,500, and then take 1,500 and load up on accounts. That's how I would do it. That's freaking awesome. Good spot to be. Oh, payouts make the world go round, baby. This thing is looking like trash, though. I thought we would end up going higher. The fact that we did not go higher has me a little worried that we will not go higher. So this thing's looking bad. I wanted to stay above the imbalance, not below. No, I think they're giving out 20,000 50K accounts. So it's a 1 billion, but like you don't have 50, like when they give you a 50K account, you don't have $50,000 to play with. But either way, they're giving out 20,000 accounts, which is awesome. So either way, it's awesome, right? Well, they're not, as Kevin put it out, they're not giving away anything. It's $1 an account. Let's say, well, I'll pay $1. I'll pay $1 for any account. What up, Matt? I pay $1 for any account, especially my funded futures account. Crazy not to pay $1 for it. $1 make you holla. Oh, my back. Dude, you know what chair I'm fucking sitting on now? Check this chair out. Bro, this is a fucking wooden chair with that plastic weave stuff. This is what my ass is going to be on for the rest of the week. My funded futures. My funded futures is going to be on they're giving away 20,000 accounts. I got to set up that Twitter giveaway for this week, by the way. I got something new I'm gonna play with. So tonight I'll set it up. Tonight I'll do it. I'm away, so you got to give me a little leeway here. How long do I have to buy that? To buy what? The dollar account? You gotta submit it. You gotta submit your info, and then they tell you if you're one of the eligible people. Dude, I gotta lower this fucking air conditioning. I got a vent above me. Hold on one second. I got a vent right above me, and it's fucking cold as shit. Hold on one second. There we go. Ah, fuck. Jesus. Fucking. Well, it's an Airbnb. Yo, BK, I thought about it right now, by the way. The reason why you probably lost last night was because of the London bank holiday. You probably didn't move enough. I would say they know the stats that, it's obviously a marketing tool. They're going to get 20,000 prop firm emails that they're going to market to you, so basically pay, I'm sure it rebills after a month at the normal amount. So you got a month to pass it. Like, I'm sure there's stuff like they know, like, hey, 80% are going to be blown. Those 80% are going to, maybe half are going to stay in there and they're going to rebill at the normal amount. Like, they know, man. They know. They're running a business. Dude, I'm not saying to get an account at this place, but I got an account at Elite Trader Funding. I honestly do not know what's going on over there. So I got paid once by them, right? Then I traded for 3 days, basically even, and then I hit for even, lost $600, and then on Friday I hit for 1,700, and then they allowed me to request another payout without trading 10 days, and it just said I got approved. So I have no fucking idea what's going on over there, but apparently I'm getting another $1,248 payout, and I didn't even trade the right amount of days or the consistency rule. So I don't have no idea what's going on over there. But I've had to contact them about not turning my accounts over to pro. Like, there's some interesting shit, but it is what it is. I think it's going for Asia right now. Let me look. Don't. I don't. I'm not an influencer there. I don't. Nobody uses my code there. No one uses. I tell people don't get an account there. It's. I've heard. I've heard horror stories, but dude, fucking wild. I'm like, wait, I can request. Like, it was literally last night. I was like, wait, I can request $1,248. I was like, please. I might change my mind. Hey guys, if you're listening, I might change my mind if you just keep paying me. Not gonna lie, they are changing my mind. We're going for China highs. Asia, dude, previous day highs at 651. Who thinks we go up there? Dude, I don't know. This seems sketchy as hell all the way up here. Is it me or it looks like a rising wedge? Looks like a rising wedge, and then we're gonna break it to the downside, but who knows? Ugh. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Dude, I wonder if my wife went to the beach yet. Let me look to see where she's at. Let me see where she's at. Let's see where she's at. Find my iPhone. Woo! She's at the beach already. Oh, that's awesome. I let my kids go to the beach first. Let my wife. I mean, they gotta set up the fucking tents and shit. Like, I did that yesterday, man, and shit's. Once you get to the beach, you still got 30 minutes of setting up to do. Maybe I'll swoop in for lunch or something over there. Dude, let's see. Let's see what we should do here, actually. Uh, what the fuck is this? Oh, let's see. Let's see what we should do here. I don't know. It's up to you guys. I can do either or. Oh, my back. I'll tell you what, if the action doesn't pick up, I'm definitely going to take a break. How's that sound? If we don't get fucking action soon, then I'm definitely in for a break because, you know, dude, do I even have fucking. Oh, you know what I need? I got to open up my Google Sheets. I need my Google Sheets. Go enjoy the vacation. Yeah, I might take the break. Though I'll be honest with you, Sean, it's better for me because I'll go to the beach. I'll hang out for like 2 hours. The beach is literally, bro. It's 100 yards away from the beach, so I'm not a big beach person personally. But I'll probably swing over there, eat lunch, hang out for an hour or two, and then come back. Is what I'm thinking. Kind of what I was thinking. Dude, I spent the last fucking 2 full days out with everybody, and dude, we're usually in bed. The kids are in bed by 7:30, and the kids are going to bed at like 10 at night. We are like they went to the beach. They probably just got there. They'll probably have 15 minutes more setting up. I'll probably end up picking up lunch, bringing it out with me, and bring lunch for everybody. Is what I would think. I would like this, Joe. If this runs Asia highs, yeah, Matt, I agree with you. I mean, that's why I kind of backed off bull nuts and definitely not doing like. Why would you do top step at this point? I agree. Also, they have 50-50 profit split for 30 days, so you only get half your money. I like money. Dude, this London bank holiday is like fucking making it pretty brutal. What do we look like on like the freaking high time frames? Higher. You're going to Tanzania and South Africa for 10 days? That's crazy. Fast track. Fast track has 50-50 profit split. Or is that funded ticks? I don't know who FT is. Dude, that 50-50 profit split. the fuck out of here. Yo, 50-50 profit split? Bro. You know what that feels like? It feels like just getting kicked in the nuts. So just ask your neighbor to kick you in the nuts if you want to buy that. Just got to let the trend be your friend, man. That's it. Let the trend. Oh, damn. You're from Tanzania? Dude, that's awesome. Yo, I heard you're going to leave your daughter behind so she could trade and make all money. Is that true? You're leaving her behind to keep earning for everybody? Dude, that's a big trip. Dude, how long does it take to fly there? Dude, that flight's got to be like 17 hours or something. You get 90% until you read the fine print. Until you get a payout. Once you get a payout, 13 hours to Dubai and then 8 hours to Chew. That's crazy. I'm sure there's a little layover time too. It probably takes you what, like 20, probably 20 hours, 22 hours to get there. Dude, that's a long time, man. It's a real long time. Probably out on that. Yo, he's creating a trading sweatshop. Yo, ain't that the truth? I'm starting to get hungry. Dude, tomorrow I gotta wear a hoodie, man. This fucking air conditioner's blowing on me. Oh, so you have 10 hours of connecting time? Damn, that's like a fucking over. That's a long ass time. Ali, what state are you in right now? Oh no, you said you're in. I think you're in Canada, right? You're in Toronto, Toronto or Montreal. What up, Maria? Yo, what up, AD? If this market doesn't start popping one way or another in the next half hour, I am definitely not streaming through to watch a grinder trend. Yeah, Toronto. Yeah, I mean we're just kind of grinding up. I do think though that we could take out Asia highs at 599 and then come back down. I'm probably into that. Yeah, I would. I same here, Matt. I don't push it. Anytime I push it, anytime I push it, I get fucked all the time. 60% of the time, it happens every time. I will say when I head to the beach later on, I will set up my Ninja Trader shit. Ooh, let's see what's in this cabinet. Nope, nothing in the cabinet. Dude, have you seen my trading setup? Yeah, I'll put it in the Discord. You guys see what this my trading setup looks like. You guys are gonna laugh. I'll post it right now. Oh. New laptop's holding up. New laptop is definitely holding up. We're going to finally get these Asia highs. China. Oh, my back. My back. I feel like this is the one week, though. There's a lot of people gone this week. This is like, this is that time of the year that people are just gone. This week is probably the biggest vacation week. And then you'll start seeing people funnel back next week and the week after. Yo, we almost got it, though. I'm loving this laptop, though. The camera on the laptop is so crisp. The camera's good. What's the sound like? Sounds amazing. Makes you look like I lost weight. Dude, I'm definitely not heavy. I can tell you that right now, Matt. I am it's so funny because I don't eat breakfast. So what I do is I just do the what is it, intermittent fasting. So like I ate dinner with everybody. We had some dessert last night at like 8, and then I won't eat again until like 2 in the afternoon. So what is that, like 12, 16, what is that, like 18 hours of not eating? And I also went on a walk. I went on a long walk this morning just to see the neighborhood and where I'm at and see the houses and whatnot. So I, did that for like a half hour, 40 minutes, and then just not eat. And then it allows me to just eat whatever the fuck I want later on. Yo, do I take this? I'm not taking this until we take out that ass, take out that freaking Asia high. We're too close not to take it out. When I eat, I'm hungry. Yeah, I have coffee in the morning, black, always black. Japan said they will suspend some postal items. Nobody cares. Yo, what up, Texas? Yeah, not eating, I guess. Well, if you think about it, back in the day, nobody was eating 3 meals a day. If you think the hunters were eating 3 meals a day, they were probably devouring, whatever they caught for that day, probably eating a massive meal at, call it probably 3 o'clock. They weren't, they were probably going to bed somewhere around when it gets dark, I would assume. Maybe stay up around the fire a little bit, but like they weren't staying up until 11 at night, probably. But they were also getting up when the sun gets up at 5 or 4:30, whatever it is, wherever you're at. But yeah, I don't know. I like not eating, to be honest with you. I feel clean, and then it allows me to just. Yeah, it's another thing, Texas. I'm not even going to get into that, but yeah, I feel you. I'm on your wavelength. I'm not even going to get into it. That's like, you ever eat. So here's something that's gross. So there's a kill farm by me, right where I live, and they kill chickens there, and you can get chickens that are freshly killed. Uh, if you eat a chicken that was not packaged and it's fresh, like it's killed by the farm. And bro, the chicken, the texture is completely different. The taste is different. It's completely different. It's gross. And then you go back to seeing what you get at the supermarket. It's not even. It doesn't even look the same. True story. I'm not. That's like the craziest thing. All right, here we go. We're taking Asia highs out. Let's. We just hit our head. We just swept it by like a point. We literally right there. Yeah. Only horse sausage. I'm gonna look to see. Come on. I mean, we took it. Yeah, what is it? Eight till 2. I think it's something like that. Oh my god, I just cracked my back. Dude, you're holding for 8. You're holding for more. Dude, I was in fucking long. I knew this. We were gonna touch them. I just had a hold. Just had a fucking hold. I should have just rebought when we came down. All right, I'm just gonna watch. Let's see what we get. Sean, you gonna take this short? What do you got going on? Tell you what, we get under 590. I'm probably gonna take it short with a stop at these highs. Come on. Push it down, push it down. I want to see us down. Yeah, like 90. 90. Yeah, 90. 90 gets me going. We don't get to 90. We don't get to 90. I'm watching. I'll take a shot. I'll take a shot if we get down there. Otherwise, watch it just hold and keep going up for the day. Unbelievable. Unfucking believable. Should have just went long and held. Come on. You could definitely tell it's London's bank holiday because I just feel like the action is just so much slower today. So much slower today. I'll take this with a little. Come on. What are we doing here? It almost feels like a little Asia like how we're just not going anywhere. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. Dude, this is rough. This is rough. I have this weird feeling we're just going to keep grinding up, though. How's that sound? That the short's not going to take place and you're just going to grind up for the day. Anyone actually in anything right now? This is a 5-minute chart. We come back to 85. I might buy it. By then, I'd be at break even. Let's see what happens. Till 646, long last 3 micros. What up, Rushan? Nao's in here. Dude, this thing is fucking slow. You're waiting for Friday's high to be taken? Wouldn't be surprised they bring it back here. Sean, what are you doing? Are you taking it short here, or are you going to wait until it's higher? This is looking like it's going to flag and just go higher. Dude. I would assume we're going to go up from this position. I only say that because it's flagging and there's literally no selling. There's no selling. We're going to do something later on. I got to set up a Twitter giveaway tonight. I don't know how long I'm staying in this thing. Like, I'm really trying to just scalp this thing. Sure, you can enter. All I'm looking for is a scalp. and I got fucking torched out. I fucking hate this market. This thing's not going down. This thing's gonna ramp up to fucking. Watch, we have 700 today. Watch this. I might go to the beach and hold this, by the way. I might go to the fucking beach and just hold. I don't know. It just seems like no one's selling today. Super game of patience. It just looks like no one's selling today. That's my honest opinion. I'm risking $150 here. So if I get stopped, I get stopped. Market's just not going anywhere. What up, Josh? Let me see what's going on in my other accounts. See what's going on here. I'm just cruising through. Seeing what I can just buy real fast in here. See where this is. Yeah, I think that's all I'm looking to do today in here, at least. Dude, where's Intel at? Intel's at 20. Yo, Intel, fucking government. Awesome. I got literally wicked out at the top on a short, and now we're fucking green on it. That's how my day is going. Welcome to the vacation. Dude, the market's just fucking not moving. I'm just looking to see what's around here. You got some SoFi. SoFi's up a ton. Intel, Dave. Let's see what Dave's doing today. Oh, these are not weeklies. I don't know. I don't know what I want to do. What up, David? Yo, what up, Flip? Flip. What's crazy is I had this short too. I'm so fucking stupid. I had this short. I literally had the fucking short, and I got stopped. I had it. I fucking had it. This was my TP on my short. So stupid. That was it. That's so crazy. Literally stopped me out, comes down, hits my TP. And what's wild is this is where I wanted to get long, either there or at 83. Instead, I got long all the way up at 04. Stupid. Yeah, I'll check, Waldo. I gotta look. Stopped out. I do not think banks will fail this year. I don't think any banks are failing this year. I mean, they're not even talking. Why? What would be the reasoning behind the banks failing? There's got to be something that goes on. Like they can still reduce rates. Like there's a lot. Like banks are making money because the rates are high. They're not. No one's getting hurt there. No one's commercial real estate. I feel like that's been in the shitter for a long time though. Possibly. I don't. It's not something that's even on my radar. To be honest with you, I don't think so. It's just not. It's just not on my radar at all. Yeah, well, though I got in, I got wicked out. I literally got wicked out. Um, yeah, I don't know. I mean, listen, I haven't really looked into it, Texas, but it's just like not something that I've heard anybody that I know even discuss a little bit, which means it's not even out there right now. It's not something that I'm looking at. Dude, give me one more fucking green candle. Get me out of this thing. Come on. Hit fucking 99. There you go. I put it right by that wick. Let's go. Get over 96. Get me at a half. I can move this up to break even. Come on. I have a tight ass stop on this. I can tell you that right now. I'm not fucking staying in this shit. Yeah, I haven't heard anything about it. That's not even like one of the scenarios that I heard that what would take us down. I've heard a bunch of different things, but I've not heard that regional banks will default. Come on, pop it. Pop this motherfucker. Let's go. Come on. Give me 98. Give me 98. Come on. Come on. Come on, market. Come on, please. Let's go. Dude, one good pop right here. Pop it. Oh, I'm gonna get fucked. At least I don't have a big stop loss, but whatever. Should have taken my money I made earlier today and just fucking walked. Should have walked. Should have fucking walked when I was up. I was up a ton, not a ton, but I was definitely up. Yo, what up, Anderson? What up? What up? Man, I might go head to the beach now, to be honest. I don't love where we're trading at, to be real. Um I don't love where we're trading at. If anything, I'd be looking for a short. I might leave one on and see what happens. I might just fucking leave this. Um I think I'm gonna head to the beach personally. That's where my kids are at. I'm on vacation if you didn't know. I'm gonna head to the beach. I'll be back at 2:15 today, and I'm gonna get some lunch, and hopefully the markets are a little bit better later on. All right, boys and girls, I'll see you later. Peace.